Hey there, welcome back to our orientation series. In this video, we'll show you how to apply for an alien resident certificate, and go over the medical insurance in Taiwan. Let's go. If you entered Taiwan with a resident visa, you must apply for an alien resident certificate within 15 days. If you entered Taiwan with a visitor visa, you must apply for an alien resident certificate within 15 days of acquiring your resident visa. Prepare the following. As freshmen, Office of International and Cross-Strait Affairs will apply for an alien resident certificate on behalf of students. Submit photo, passport, and Taiwanese resident visa to Office of International and Cross-Strait Affairs upon arrival in Taiwan. Office of International and Cross-Strait Affairs will contact students to collect their alien resident certificate once it's issued. When students have been in Taiwan for a year, they need to apply for an alien resident certificate extension online by themselves. Submit the extension application within 30 days before the expiration of residency. Head to the National Immigration Agency of Taiwan. Scroll to Online Application, then click on Foreign Students and Overseas Chinese Students Online Application System. The system will display two options. To apply for an alien resident certificate as an international student, tap on Foreign Students and Overseas Chinese Students. Read this page carefully. Once done, click on I want to apply. Create an account. Make sure you fill out your Chinese name. For those who don't have a Chinese name, Yishou University will assign Foreign Students 1. You'll find it in your acceptance letter, and in the Yishou University Information System. Once you create an account, you'll need to verify your email account. Follow the link into the website, and click Extension Application. Upload a photo taken within the last 6 months. Make sure to list Yishou University as your contact person in Taiwan. The telephone number is 07-657-7711. And the nationality is ROC, Taiwan. Set the location of collection to Kaohsiung City Second Service Center. Shortly after you've completed the application, you'll receive an email. Follow the link to pay the application fee online, or print the receipt to pay at a convenience store. Once your payment has been confirmed, you'll be set to collect your alien resident certificate from the local immigration office in town. As freshmen, students need to apply to Yishou University Medical Insurance. To reimburse your medical expenses, you need to bring the original receipt of payment, certificate of diagnosis, photocopy of passport, alien resident certificate, and student ID card to OICA. Students who have stayed in Taiwan for 180 days, have a residency visa, and alien resident certificate, are eligible to enlist in the NHI program. Students should register at the hospital with their NHI card. The program will cover most of the medical expenses. From the second semester on, students need to pay for the NHI premium through the information system. The cost of NHI is approximately 4,956 new Taiwan dollars for 6 months. Once you've completed payment, Yishou University will apply and renew your NHI on your behalf. For more information on alien resident certificate and NHI applications, check the FAQ section of ISU website. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, contact the Office of International and Cross-Strait Affairs. Thanks for watching.